Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SkillSyncer for aligning LinkedIn skills to roles. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate SkillSyncer for aligning LinkedIn skills to roles, start by visiting the SkillSyncer website. Once on the home page, locate the Sign Up button and click on it. Fill in the required information to create your account. After submitting your details, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your SkillSyncer account. On the dashboard, find the option to Connect LinkedIn and click on it. A pop-up window will appear asking you to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and authorize SkillSyncer to access your profile. After authorization, you will be redirected back to the SkillSyncer dashboard. Now, click on Add a new job to input the role you wish to align your skills with. Enter the job title and any relevant details about the position. Once the job details are saved, SkillSyncer will analyze your LinkedIn profile. You will receive a list of skills that match the job description. Review the suggested skills and make any necessary adjustments. If you find any skills missing, you can manually add them. After finalizing your skills, save your changes. You can now download your optimized resume or share it directly via LinkedIn. This process allows you to effectively align your LinkedIn skills with job roles. SkillSyncer enhances your job search by making your profile more relevant to potential employers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.